get you breaking updates coming in. West Bengal politics may be witnessing a very rare moment of consensus, with senior TMC leader Firhad Hakim calling for cooperation beyond party lines in the interest of development of the state. Reacting to the remarks by Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari on development, Firhad Hakim said that political differences should not come in the way of public welfare and infrastructure growth. He welcomed the focus on development, saying Kolkata and West Bengal would benefit if all stakeholders work together.
हम लोग हर समय ये कहते हैं जो पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स से ऊपर लोगों के लिए काम करना है, डेवलपमेंट करना है। वो डेवलपमेंट का बात किए हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। अगर हम लोग सब मिलकर डेवलपमेंट के साथ ही रहेंगे तो बंगाल के कलकत्ता की उन्नति जरूर होगी। मेरे ख्याल से देखा जाए वक्त बोलेगा, मगर हम लोग सब साथ हैं, डेवलपमेंट के साथ 100% है।
My colleague Ridhita joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Ridhita, in a democracy, this should not be seen as rare. But unfortunately, because of the sharp political battle that we see play out in West Bengal, even the violence that plays out time and again because of political differences, this is a very welcome statement. What seems to have caused this change in heart?
Well, absolutely. You see, Firhad Hakim, being one of the loyalists of Mamata Banerjee, has now stood or actually accepted the gracious welcome that Shubhendu Adhikari did to him yesterday. Remember, yesterday was the first time in history of Kolkata Municipal Corporation that has seen a chief minister coming there in the QMC after 12 to 14 years, literally. And then yesterday, not only BJP aligned leaders were called and invited, but also the Trinamool Congress aligned leaders were called. In the same panel, we had seen Firhad Hakim, Mala Roy, Meeta Paramanik sitting there, and it was a welcome by Shubhendu Adhikari, the Chief Minister of Bengal, and he said that we do not follow the politics of this side and that side. It is generally a politics of development, and that has been seen, and that is how we are seeing to this entire occasion. And also the Trinamool aligned leaders like Firhad Hakim, also the sister-in-law of Mamata Banerjee, Kajuri Bandyopadhyay, was also present. She was seen that she is a councillor of the Bhawanipur 73rd ward. She was seen to shake her hands with Shubhendu Adhikari, speak with Taposh Roy and all the other BJP leaders and ministers out there. So you see a change of occasion in the hearts of Trinamool Congress
it
leaders.
really looks like it. Ridhita, just stay with us just a moment. Let's play out this reaction.
हम लोग हर समय ये कहते हैं जो पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स से ऊपर लोगों के लिए काम करना है, डेवलपमेंट करना है। वो डेवलपमेंट का बात किए हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। अगर हम लोग सब मिलकर डेवलपमेंट के साथ ही रहेंगे तो बंगाल के कलकत्ता की उन्नति जरूर होगी। मेरे ख्याल से देखा जाए वक्त बोलेगा, मगर हम लोग सब साथ हैं, डेवलपमेंट के साथ 100% है।
So we are with development 100%. That's what Firhad Hakim has gone on to say, a very huge loyalist of Mamata Banerjee. And the timing is also interesting, isn't it, Ridhita? Because it comes at a time when multiple loyalists of Mamata Banerjee, who are known to be very close aides to her, have left the TMC or have questioned the TMC and have even questioned the authoritarian style of the functioning of the TMC.
Well, absolutely. You see, this is not for the first time. Firhad Hakim's role in the Mamata camp has been questioned. Earlier also, when he was seen inside the assembly to meet Ritobroto Sondipan Saha, the split of the MLAs, there was a question that was brought on his side. He has recently resigned as a mayor. And you see, back-to-back incidents are occurring after that. He met the rebel gang in the West Bengal assembly, and now as the invitation was given to him, he was seen yesterday there in the meeting, sharing the same panel. Also note that one after the other meeting is happening inside Mamata's residence almost every day, but none of the days have we seen Firhad Hakim joining that meeting after he has resigned from the post of a mayor. However, he claims this resignation to be very personal, but we get to but the track of incidents or the sequences that are being seen raises a question about Mamata loyalist Bobby Hakim.
Okay, all right. Do stay on with us. We also have Amitav Roy joining us on the broadcast, the Bengal BJP Vice President. Thank you for joining us. Amitav Roy ji, how do you look at this statement by Firhad Hakim saying we welcome development and, despite the political differences, all parties should come together for the development of Bengal?
In one word, one sentence I would say, better late than never. stood on the fourth when BJP won with a vast majority. At that time, it is the Chief Minister. That Chief Minister should resign and hand over his resignation to the governor and welcome the next CM to take in charge of the state. But we have seen a rehearsal on stage or mimicry is happening everywhere. In West Bengal, we are proud of West Bengal and Bengalis are proud of it. But we are ashamed what was happening in Bengal. This should not happen. It is a democratic country and everybody should take the verdict of the people. But now, Mamata Banerjee is saying all her MLA, MP are leaving because TMC is a sinking ship now and Mamata has become alone. So, at the last, we have seen Bobby Hakim is a right-hand man who shouted for mini Pakistan or Dawat Islam. Now, he had seen that in Brigade Parade grounds, our Chief Minister, when he was the opposition leader, he had chanted Gita, 1 lakh Gita in Brigade Parade ground, and in Red Road, namaz has been done. So Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jains all should live unitedly for the development of West Bengal and India.
Okay, all right. So better late than never. That's your message for Firhad Hakim. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast.